Hi there, Wally here. Today this video will be a little bit different. This is just a call for you guys to join the Discord channel. I'm not sure if you know, but we have one Discord channel with a lot of amazing people, very interested to learn more and share more. So anytime that you share more, you improve your knowledge. This is definitely a nice exercise, and I would like to invite you to join us. The link is on the description. So feel free to join us anytime. Feel free to drop your question. Can be a bash, can be Python, can be satellite, can be Foreman, can be any other thing, any other subject that maybe we do not have yet the video, but we will be more than glad to learn if necessary and to share the next steps with you. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.